Think the perfect fiery, fun, active, and adventurous date idea for couples or family outings doesn't exist in Michigan? Well, think again. Meet the Bavarian Blacksmith Experience in Frankenmuth, Michigan, where you can become the blacksmith and learn the basics of forging steel with help from our friendly smiths. Take home a customized steel-edged item or accessory that you bring to life at the forge and make memories that you'll never forget. With experience prices ranging from $35 to $150, there's no reason not to join us and ignite the spark of imagination. Book your spot now at blacksmithexperience.com.